how to get business funding through Amex. So Amex approves you up to 250K. Obviously, there are more lenders, but you can stack up the line of credit, loans, credit cards. So you need to make sure you guys have an LLC. If you don't have an LLC, make sure you go to LegalZoom. They have packages, so you guys can get the free one. But the more you pay, the faster the LLC will process, but you could just go with the free one. Once you guys got the LLC, you would need your DUNS number, okay? And then NAV is where you build your business credit, okay? Any trade lines you add, credit builders, it will report through NAV. A perfect score will be an 80 credit score. But that's also through the Paydex. So if you guys are trying to get approved for this, you would need to build your credit up. So if you're starting out, no credit history, you won't get approved unless your credit score is really good, a high 700-800 credit score. So getting something like this, you would need to have lots of age onto your LLC. So once you have your NAV account, you will want to add something like this. So this is a business loan approval package through autotradeline.com. So what it is, basically it comes with 4 business trade lines that adds up to 250K, 6 months of bank statements and pay stubs, and it comes with the H Corp tax returns, okay? And this comes with a credit sweep. So if you have bad credit, it will sweep up your credit. So this one can get you approved for up to 500K max, but the lowest ballpark will be 250K. If you guys want, over $1 million, you can get something like this. This one's a high $3 million loan. You guys can read 25 business lines. Pretty much that will get you approved. And to get 3 million, you will have to go through higher lenders like Charles Schwab. Pretty much what rich people use, that's where you guys will go. So if you have any of these packages, once it reports within 2 weeks, then you can go to Amex. You can go through Blue Vine, Brex, any business loan lender you guys can think of. You can apply for multiple credit lines. So you could rack up, $1 million worth of credit, and you can withdraw the funds anytime. But you guys need to make sure you guys pay the loan back over time. And these are the rules. What's required: 18 years of age. The business have to be at least a year. So if your business is brand new, if you add the business lines, it will give a history. Okay. And the FICO score for your personal credit has to be at least a 660, but I recommend a minimum 700. And then the revenue needs to be at least 3K, which is very obtainable. But the package from autotradeline.com, even the lowest package, it will come with the tax returns and the bank statements, proof of income. All you gotta do is upload it when you apply for the application. So that'll be pretty much it. This is the same process when you go through every other site. Blue Vine, Lending Tree, any business loan lender is the same process. You apply, you pick your options, and you get funding within the same day or 24 hours. So make sure you guys have a good credit score ready. Make sure you have the business trade lines. I'll leave the sites in the description, but it is called autotradeline.com. That'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching.